let's check some prices on some portable fans. $199. Here's another one. Craftsman, $99. What is that shit made out of? Gold?
Then I found this one on TikTok, and it's a game changer. It has 4 fan speeds, 120-degree oscillation, and even includes a remote control. It lasts up to 58 hours on one charge, even doubles as a power bank, and has a built-in LED light with 3 brightness levels. Perfect for camping, power outages, or just chilling outside. All that, and it costs less than half of what I almost paid in store. I passed on the overpriced fan and grabbed this one instead. If you're seeing this, the discount's still live, but probably not for long.